Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how do you send money to friends on Revolut. So let's get into the video. Firstly, open up your Revolut application, so launch it and then log into your account. So once I've already logged into your account, so what you're going to do now is hit on the transfer tab here. Underneath you'll see the transfer tab next to your home tab, so click on transfer, and here you should see all your friends list here. So if you have already added your friends, then you should see your friends your contacts or your friends list here, so which you can just choose on it and then make send money to. So you can do that. Or if you have not like myself, if you have not added your friends yet, so all you have to do is just click on the new button here and then select contact and then add your friend. All right, so you can use either phone number or email address. It's not an issue. All right, and then just type that and then click on add. So I've just added it, and then all you have to do now is click on send. All right, and then now what you have to do is just you have to send the amount that you want to send, so any notes or whatever you want to add it, and then once you're done, then hit on the send button, and that's pretty much it is. So I hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.